In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transition your website from Wix to the GoDaddy hosting platform. Whether you're switching for flexibility, different features, or just want to change a pace, I'll guide you through the steps one by one to make this move as smooth as possible. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's understand that while Wix doesn't allow direct export of your site to another platform, we can effectively rebuild your site on the GoDaddy hosting platform. This means recreating the design and content of your Wix site on a new GoDaddy site. Start by reviewing your current website on Wix. Make notes on the design elements, text, images, and functionalities you want to replicate on your new site. Taking screenshots can also be helpful for visual reference. With a clear idea of what your website needs to look like, head over to GoDaddy's platform and ensure you have an active hosting plan. If you haven't already done so, choose a plan that suits your needs and complete the purchase process. Once your hosting plan is set up, you'll have access to GoDaddy's website builder or can use another content management system like WordPress, which can be installed directly through GoDaddy's dashboard. Now open GoDaddy's website builder in a new tab. Begin rebuilding the website by selecting a template that closely matches your Wix site or a blank one if you'd rather build from scratch. Use your earlier notes and screenshots as guides to place and adjust the elements accordingly. Start with the homepage, focusing on the layout and design, then work your way through each additional page. As you rebuild, it's important to ensure that the mobile version of your new site looks just as good as the desktop version. GoDaddy provides tools to preview and tweak your site's appearance on mobile devices. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure all content displays correctly. Now that the visual aesthetics are in place, it's time to add the text content and images to your new site, mirroring those from your Wix site. Upload your images to GoDaddy and copy-paste any text, being sure to check for and correct any formatting errors introduced during the transfer. Once you're satisfied with the recreated version of your site, we can move to the final step, pointing your domain name to the new GoDaddy hosting. Log into your domain registrar account, where your domain is currently managed. If your domain is registered through Wix, you'll need to modify the DNS settings. Configure the settings to point to GoDaddy's hosting. You will need to update the DNS records, typically the A record and potentially the C name, to match those provided by GoDaddy. Detailed instructions are available on both the Wix and GoDaddy help centers if you need some extra guidance. Allow some time for the DNS changes to propagate across the internet. This process can take a few hours, so don't worry if your site isn't immediately available. And there you have it, your website is now hosted on GoDaddy. Thanks for following along, and I hope you enjoy the newfound capabilities on your GoDaddy hosted site.